This is a cube, a stickerless Rubik's cube. And this is a cube in a cube. And this is a cube in a cube in a cube. If you want to learn this one, please watch the full video. Hi cubers and non-cubers, welcome back to my channel. This is my alter ego. For today's video, I am going to show you how to do the pattern on a cube in a cube in a cube. In just 20 moves. Yes, you heard it right. In just 20 moves, you can have this pattern. But if you want to learn this pattern, please check in the description on how to do a cube in a cube. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get updated of my next videos. What is a pattern? A pattern may looks like this. This is called 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we can make this one into 6 dots. As simple as that. 6 dots. Then, in one simple move, we can put it back to the original position. This is a normal Rubik's cube, a stickerless Rubik's cube. Okay guys, let's start. For the pattern of a cube in a cube in a cube, just follow here the movement so that you can have a beautiful pattern such as this. A cube in a cube in a cube. First, we have to do U prime. U counterclockwise, then L prime, third move we have to do U prime, next E prime, the next we have to do R2. This is R, the right face. So we have to do 2 turns. 1, 2. Next is B prime. This is the back face. We have to do 1 turn. Next, R. R clockwise. 1 turn, then F. This is the F. 1 turn clockwise, then U. 1 turn clockwise, then B2 clockwise in 2 turns. 1, 2. The next, we have to follow U. 1 turn. The next is B. B prime or B counterclockwise. 1 turn. The next is the left face. This is the left face. We have to do 1 turn in clockwise. 1. The next, we have to do U prime. U counterclockwise, then F clockwise, The next is we have to do clockwise, upward pace. Then we have to do R. This is the R in clockwise, one turn. And the last move, we have to do F, A prime. So this is how it looks like. A cube, in a cube, in a cube. It's a very cool pattern, right? Please leave in the comment section if you found this one a great pattern. It's very cool pattern. And also for this one, we have also on the opposite sides a cube, in a cube, in a cube. I hope you learned something for this video. Okay guys, this is my alter ego. Thank you for watching. To God be the glory. Happy cubing!